How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. You know, one of my favorite Asian dishes is either sweet and sour chicken or sweet and sour pork. Now, for the sauce, you can buy it at the market, but I guarantee it's not going to be as good as the one I'm going to show you how to make today. So, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a list of ingredients with their measurements, so you can make this sauce for yourself. It's super easy, absolutely delicious. So I'm going to show you how to mix it up. So let's get going. So first off, you need a cup of pineapple juice. And what I do is I get the can of chunk pineapple from the market. I use the pineapple in the sweet and sour chicken or pork, and I strain the juice off, and you get a cup of juice out of a can of chunk pineapple. So we'll go ahead and put our pineapple juice in the mixer. Now we need 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar, packed. So 3/4 of a cup of packed light brown sugar, like what you see here. We'll add that to the mix. Now we're going to need 1/3 of a cup of rice vinegar, and you can find rice vinegar at the market. So we'll add our rice vinegar, and our next ingredient is 3 tablespoons of ketchup. So in goes our ketchup. You'll like this sauce, and it's very easy to make. So now we need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We'll add our soy sauce. And that's it for ingredients. So we're gonna mix this up. I want to get the brown sugar dissolved in the sauce. Next thing we want to do is make a slurry to thicken our sauce. So we have 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch dissolved in 2 tablespoons of cold water. And we'll add the slurry in the sauce when we're cooking it. So hang with me. I'm going to put the sauce on the stove. We want to bring it to a boil and then reduce the heat, add the slurry, and keep stirring it until it's thickened. So I'll do that, and then when I come back, we'll take a look at our sauce. So stick with me. All right, welcome back. I've brought our sauce to a boil on the stove. I've added our cornstarch slurry and cooked it until it thickened up. Now, typically you put red food coloring in it to give it that color that we're used to. And I do it, there's no measurement here because you can use liquid, you can use gel, whatever you have. You just put in the amount that you want. If it's not the color you like, add some more. I'm going to add a few more drops. You'll be able to see what color I end up with. I mean, you don't want it glowing glowing in the dark, but it's more appealing to have it red than brown. And I think that'll do it. Yeah, I think that's good. So now, what's nice about this sauce, you don't have to use it for sweet and sour chicken or pork. You can use it as a dipping sauce for like chicken fingers or chicken nuggets. Also, once you make it, I put it in a ball jar. You can keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 weeks. You can make it well in advance of the meal that you're going to make for yourself or for your friends or family. So I'm going to bottle it. I'm using a canning funnel. And you want to let it cool a bit before you pour it in the jar. There we go. That's all there is to making an awesome sweet and sour sauce. And you can see it's kind of ruby red. That's fine. So I'm gonna have mine on some sweet and sour pork this evening. So I hope you give this recipe a try. And I really appreciate you watching my videos, and check back soon to see other videos that I might have. And don't forget, at the end of this video, I'll list the ingredients for you and the measurements so you can follow along and make this awesome sauce yourself. So thanks for being with me today, and I'll see you next time.